wonder if you recognize this symbol, a bubble, a dot, and a tassel, a comma. Last September, I was asked to contribute a pattern as a part of the Yellow September Awareness Month for suicide prevention. The symbol is, of course, the semicolon, which is an international symbol for suicide awareness and prevention. It signifies that you are allowed to take a break, a pause, but then you keep on going. To me, mittens are a symbol of connection. It's warmth for your hands, you're holding hands. It's a helping hand, and you can also reach out and ask for help. I tried to keep it as accessible as I could for all levels of knitting experience. There are 4 sizes in the pattern. The proceeds of the pattern go directly to an association in Iceland called Pieta, which is a charity organization aimed at suicide prevention and help. Connection is what everyone needs, and connection is what will keep you going, even if life can be tough at times. And if you're interested in helping me donate to this issue here in Iceland, then please consider buying a pattern.